Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to add widgets on the iPhone or iPad. So, to do this is pretty simple. You first want to press and hold anywhere in a blank space on your iPhone home screen. This will make everything jiggle like this, and you want to press the plus icon in the top left hand corner. Now, there'll be some suggested widgets here at the top, and you can scroll all the way down to add even more. So let's say we want to add the fitness one here. Even though I don't have it set up on my phone, we can still add it just for test purposes. So you'd press it, and then all widgets have different options. Some have more than others, so you can have this one or this one. So let's say I want to add this one. You'd then simply press Add Widget at the bottom here, and while it's still jiggling like this, you can move it anywhere you want on your iPhone by pressing and moving it with your finger. You can even move it onto different pages if you wish. Once you're happy where the position is, you can press Done in the top right hand corner. So that's how to add a widget. However, if you want to ever remove it, you can press and hold on it and then select Remove Widget and then remove again. So that's how to add widgets on the iPhone or iPad. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.